Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. We're going to take a look at the euro versus US dollar. We are heading toward the time of the day where the European slash London traders head to the exits, and the euro versus US dollar is trading near its highs. I told you to watch the 1.0594 level earlier today. Just had a hunch. Now the price did go above that level on two separate occasions in trading here today, one earlier today and then again in the New York session, but the momentum faded right near the 106 level, 1.06 level, and the price rotated to the downside. On the downside today, the 200-hour moving average did hold support or near support here, and here. So a little bit above, a little bit above, a little bit below, a little bit below. The battle lines have been drawn for the euro versus US dollar as we head toward the weekend, head for the new trading week next week. But with the price above the 200-hour moving average, above the 100-hour moving average, just tilt the bias a little bit more to the upside for now, at least. Now, having said that, there is work to do. The 50% midpoint of the move down from the September high, it goes back to, I think, September 12th, comes in at 1.06087. The high price that we saw this week peaked near the high of this swing area at 1.0616. It goes back in time to these levels through here where we found support, and then we found resistance against the levels here before moving to the downside. And then in trading here, we moved a little bit above it, moved a little bit above it, moved a little bit above it right here, here, and here, and here before rotating to the downside. And like I said, in trading here yesterday, the price moved up to the high. That's the high for the week and rotated to the downside. So there is something about this area right here. And if you go back to the daily chart as well, the 1.06106 level is the 38.2% retracement of the move up from the low going back to September 2022 to the high going back to July 2023. Again, that 38.2 comes in at 1.06106, and the price fell below it in the month of September, and then moved above it briefly in the month of October. And this week we moved just a bit above it, again by about 6 pips before rotating to the downside. So if the buyers are to take more control, they do need to get above that resistance area right through here and stay above that level. Otherwise, the daily chart is still a little bit more to the downside. So the battle is on. Just be aware of the levels, be aware of what needs to happen from both a buying and selling perspective. On the downside, we need to get below the 200-hour moving average. We also need to get below the 100-hour moving average to open up the door for further selling momentum in trading this week. The low prices through here found support against this swing area, 1.0525, 1.0531. That was over the last 4.5 trading days. Monday we did open up below that area right through here, but moved above it. So this is going to be a key level in trading going forward to get to and through, and then we'll start to look toward the low prices from last week and these other low swing lows going back in time. That's the downside. On the top side, we need to get above the 50%. You need to get above the 106.16 level. It's as simple as that. So there you have it. Look at the euro versus US dollar from a technical perspective. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.